There's some sweet potatoes. Mmm. You like that? Huh? Mmm. That tastes good? You like that? Some more? We'll try some more. You like it? I don't know. I think more got on your face than in your tummy. Okay, hold on. Oh, you're more interested in that, huh? Okay. Let's try some more. Here's a big one. Brayden. You want some? Oh my gosh. Is that good? Gotta eat it. Mmm, yummy. Sweet potatoes. You like that? You like your sweet potatoes? Is that good? You're more interested in the little fishy, huh? Is that good? You want some more? Want some more? Let's see if we can get really messy. Huh? Mmm. You like that? You like that, baby? You want kisses? Oh my gosh, look at all that on your face. Look at that. Say hi, everybody. Oh, nice.